What is up, you guys? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. We've done it past a week. We're here. My mind. I'm a little overwhelmed, not gonna lie. But we got Vlogmas 7 going. Actually, it's exporting right now, so it's gonna go live. It's already 12, but it's gonna go live in a few hours. So we got that, doing that. I have to clean this stove, like the inside, because yeah, the making homemade pizzas can be a little bit messy, especially if you don't cover up the bottom, which I tried, but I failed. Anyways, so that's just how we're gonna start our day. Actually, our day has kind of already been started, because like I said, it's 12. But you guys are gonna clean this with me. We're probably gonna clean the floors. It's gonna be like just, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just antsy. But it's probably just going to be a really big cleaning day. And then we're gonna cook another HelloFresh meal tonight, as long as my HelloFresh comes in. So let's just kind of get on cleaning. And if you guys are enjoying Vlogmas, let me know down in the comments below, because I'm having a lot of fun actually doing it. And it's also kind of like, what's that word, like memorabilia, you know, I can go back and look on it. And while we do that, we're gonna finish Catherine Manning's analytical report. The goal average duration for things that I mean, 1 plus 1 doesn't equal 5. Alright, so we just finished vacuuming. I'm about to mop the floor now, because I'm going to try and get up some of this mud, and the rest of the house needs to be mopped. So I'm going to catch some of that for like some B-roll and everything, but then I got to clean the bathroom. I'm not going to bring you guys along with that, because who wants to watch somebody clean a toilet? No, ew, ew. I know I have to open up my day 2 for the Lacquer Advent Calendar. Oh, that reminds me. Yesterday, his grandma gave me this is an advent calendar for kitty cats. She opened the 6th, because when she got it, it was already the 6th. I don't fully understand. But her cat wanted absolutely nothing to do with the treats, so she gave it to me. So actually, let's open day 7 really quick. Where is 7 on here? 7's down here. There we go. Ooh, cute little cat treats. And there's 6, so, oh nope, there's 5. Well, there's only 5, so we're gonna have to, I don't know, we'll figure something out, because I have 3 cats. So each day they're gonna get a treat. They probably actually won't like it, because I don't particularly like salmon. And this is salmon and sweet potatoes, so. Anyways, let's just mop the floor. Come here. Look what I got for you. Sit. Hey, can you sit? Yeah, can you sit? He might not want it. Hey. Belly. He's trying. Well, if you like them, Puma, you could have them all. Rocky wanted nothing to do with them, man. I don't think they like that, so we're gonna give, here, back up, take those. Okay, have a paw? Good boy. There you go. Man, you just had yours. You just had yours, man. Alright, so found out the cats don't want the advent calendar treats, but yeah, my cat can shake his paw. Can yours? Alright, let's go shake out our rug. Actually, let's make you guys straight. Oh, Kelly, you want to try these? She's like, heck no, Mom. So we got this cute little mop bucket from Home Depot. And it's got, oh no, my mop fell off. That's so sad. Okay. There we go. And it's got like a spinner. You doing, Puma? Probably absolutely nothing when I'm editing. Oh, baby, boom, boom. So I'm not actually gonna like spin dry this mop because there's a lot of the dried mud from the walls on the ground, and it should come up fairly easily once wet. So we're gonna try that. So I just blinded myself. So that worked out pretty decently well. I'm gonna finish up over there and I'm gonna charge my battery because yeah, I've been cleaning for well over an hour now, and I'm sorry if this cleaning Vlogmas day 8 is boring. But Advent Calendar from Lights Lacquer day 2 coming soon. And HelloFresh. I wonder what we're gonna make tonight. Alright, it is officially, I'm tired. I am so tired. Okay, you guys, so it is 3 o'clock. We're done cleaning. Oh. I forgot there was laundry downstairs. So, we're gonna fold laundry, we're gonna start editing this video, and then we gotta take off the nail polish, and we gotta open day 2, and our HelloFresh is still not here. So we might not be doing a cooking segment, but we might, I don't know. It could get here around 8, so it might be a late night again. And Kevin's still not home. He said he was gonna be home a few hours. Like, he was only gonna be gone a few hours. Anyways, so I guess let's go. I'm gonna go set you up so I can go grab the laundry, because you can't come with me. I can't do all that. That's too much work. So we just got done doing the laundry. I forgot I also had to clean the cat litter box, so I did do that in the time being as well. Oh, Kevin's coming in. It's now like, I don't know, 6:50 or something like that. My HelloFresh hasn't came yet, and we already just reheated dinner, and so I'm just gonna do dishes probably unbox my second nail polish, take the girls for a walk, and probably call it a night. So let's go do dishes and then the unboxing. Yeah. Ooh, and they're gonna clean up.
Come here. So goes the goose. Rosa's got hers out here. Good girls.
Alright, so I just got back from walking the dog and this was on my front doorstep. And I'm sorry the lighting is terrible in here. Oh, that just made it even worse. Hello. But, this is the only lighting in here because we still have to add a ceiling light because this house was built before World War II and they didn't, I guess, believe in ceiling lights. I don't know, this is actually a Sears home. Like, back in the day before it was built, it was like designed in a Sears catalog and the owner picked it up and then just dropped it and they built it. And the other poochies are home. Well, actually just the one. Ooh, we have a $130 wine voucher. Too bad we don't really drink wine. I got a Kind Energy dark chocolate peanut butter bar. Oops. The silver does not want to come off. Okay, so we just finished taking off our nail polish. So we're gonna open, let me grab it, the second day. Let's not cover her up. She's cute. She's so ready for bed. But we're gonna open the second day of the Lacquer Advent Calendar. Ooh, it's pretty. I got that one out easily. Oh no, I thought that was funny, but it's called an oven mitt. But it's like a really pretty, almost burgundy-ish red color. Dang, I like that. I like that a lot. So there you go. It's just a nice, deep, like, almost brownish red. No, it's more just like a burgundy. It's really pretty. I'm gonna finish painting my nails for today, and so quick. Ooh, that was cold. Your nose was cold. I know I stopped petting you. Quick little pop in. Here is when all painted. I really like this color. And oh, say good night. But yeah, I'm just gonna call it a night though, because it's like 8 o'clock and I gotta still, you know, wash my face and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas Day 8. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking this link right here. And if you missed any of the other Vlogmases or you want to binge watch any of my content, go ahead and click one of these links right here. Alright then. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch. I will see you in tomorrow. Bye. I will see you in tomorrow. Bye.